Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'll take you through how to change your calling number either to a private number or to a normal calling number. I'll show you an illustration on how it's done. This helps into the case that maybe you are having a call or you're giving out a call or receiving a call. It's coming into a private mode, or either you want to call a person using a private number. Even before I proceed, remember to subscribe, like and share. I'll go straight to the illustration. Go to your phone. Under the phone call dial icon, on the top right corner you get 3 dots. Click on that icon. Then it will take you to settings option. It will open call log settings. It has several categories. I'll click under calling account option. On this category, it will depend on how many SIM cards you are using. For my case, I'm using one SIM card, so I want to do settings for my single SIM card that I'm using. I'll proceed. It will open another tab that has an additional setting, so I'll click on that tab. I'll wait for a few seconds for the device to update to give me the settings. Additional setting category, it usually has 2 categories. It has a call ID where you change the ID, how you want it to, whenever you call, either as a private number or a normal default calling mode. It usually has a calling waiting. This is where it gives you the option to notify you whenever you're having an external call or an internal call whenever you are having an ongoing call. So for my case, I want to change my calling option. It was from a private mode. Under this category, it has a network default, hide number and show number. So it was under hide number where it was calling on a private number mode. So I'll change the option. Then I'll wait for a few seconds there for the device to update. Then you can also recheck to confirm it is on the option that you want to use. Then I'll give it another few seconds and the device will have updated the option that I've given the command. Under this category also, I wanted to turn on my waiting call, so that whenever I get another call that is incoming and I'm having an ongoing call, it will always notify me somebody else is calling me when I'm having an ongoing call. So it falls on that category also. So then I'll turn back my phone. Guys, I hope the video was educative. Subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in our next video.